What's up, guys? It's Chad with Living the Van Life up here in Washington. Guys, we're going camping. We've got Ann in a van. She's here from Australia, and when she left Australia, it was like 100 degrees. Her first time actually going up into the mountains to go camping, throw a fire, circle up the vans, do a little bit of sipping on some adult beverages, van lifestyle.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
We're gonna go camp by the river.
We've got our vans. We've got them loaded up with firewood, ladies, alcohol. We're going down by the river, have ourselves a good old time.
We decided to pack up, pack up and move out into the woods for the night. Yeah, so that's the plan. Okay. We don't know where it's gonna go.
You. Have you got that on? You do have that on. We're about to experience Beeham style, Mount Baker style, van style. I was just saying to Chad, today's last day at 18.
Your accent is so thick.
Take me down to that place.
So that's the plan. We got 3 vans, circle up, build a fire, kick back, drink some whiskey, drink some wine, show Ann how we do it up here in the Pacific Northwest.
I'm excited. Hey, did you see that snow? Yeah. I didn't see the snow.
Where I wrote that song. Better since I've been away. I'll never forget from where I came. Hold on, child, you'll make it through the day. Just remember from where you came. See me.
Look at you, like feeling driving.
I know. Did you see me go?
Yeah, what's it like driving on the wrong
My
side?
heart's still pounding.
Two-wheel drive can survive. I mean, we got nothing special into these things. We got some BFGs, some Fox shocks, and some lift. If you play your cards right, you get yourself up in a good little camp spot like that.
Throughout my days.
Parlay in Vegas.
Guys, we got the vans circled up. The tunes are blaring on the Bluetooth. Everybody's kicking back. We're right here along the mighty Nooksack River. It's cold as heck out. You know what? It might not be snowing. We're still winter camping.
Don't point that thing at me. The ice-capped mountains, that is completely unfamiliar. Oh, did you see the ice? Did you see the ice in the puddles? There's obviously water that's collected from the weather that's been. And then I'm like, wait, what is that white? Like, how is that white? Wait, it's that cold out. There's ice and cracked ice. It's so cold, we've got to ice. So I was like, oh my God, that's nothing I've ever experienced. I've camped and I've been in cold weather experiences, and I felt like I had to be Michelin woman and pack every cold weather device known to man. But this is comfortable. This is so comfortable.
And it was like,
I love this. This is easy. It's carefree. It's good friends. Good you.
We got the heaters blaring right here in the vans, keeping the girls nice and comfortable. Van lifestyle. 3 Vanagons posted up. Fire, hors d'oeuvres, beverages, doing it right.
We're gonna cook some Mexican chicken, some onions, some mushrooms, some zucchini. I want to say capsicum, but you guys call it bell pepper, so I'm up with the peppers, which is this one, an orange, which we don't see in Oz, so I'm excited to try that. It feels like almost rewarding to be able to prepare something that it's not hard work, it's not time consuming, but it's full of flavour. It's like a good hearty meal in winter, which is something that's a little bit foreign for me.
Guys, do you see this happening? Left home at 100+ degrees, she steps into van life. Next thing you know, she's like cooking the ultimate simplistic meal and knows exactly how to explain it. She's gonna be taking over my job here before long. Just watch.
I'm like the apprentice chef right now. I'm just doing the preparation, which is the easy part. I'm excited because you've already showed me what you can produce and I want to try that.
Mexican chicken, fajita style, that's what we're doing tonight. It comes all pre-seasoned. A pound and a half costs $3.49. Makes a wonderful meal for two. You just can't go wrong. I know you guys are always concerned about my sanitization. That's why I keep a box of rubber gloves right here in the van. That way when you're done cutting your chicken, toss these in the garbage, done. When you're dealing with a van life situation, peel these off. I try to handle all my chicken in one hand. Then you can pull this right off, right there, disposed. Your nasty chicken fingers you don't have to worry about. Sanitize your knife, you're done. For tonight's meal, we're cooking right here on top of the Coleman propane bottle top burner. Okay, we're gonna start out with our chicken, straight from the Mexican market. No need to season at all. Okay, so we've got our chicken good and cooked up here. Got a good cook base on it. We're gonna get our veggies in here. The chicken is pre-seasoned. Because I added so much fresh veggies, I'm just gonna add a dash of salt. And because I like the Montreal steak, I like to add that in there as well. Give it some good peppery bite. We're just gonna let that cook in.
Right now, this is ready to eat. I'm excited. We're just gonna divvy it up. We're gonna pop it on some plates. We're gonna enjoy it by the campfire with some chill guys, these dudes. You guys wanna join us? Get amongst it. There is plenty for all. Oh my God, it smells amazing. Are you excited about this?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me when, tell me when, tell me when.
Ooh, yep.
If Baker's open, I'm not sure we can make it be open. Baker's always open because they like money.
A part of every American campfire, it's gotta be s'mores. The good old graham crackers, marshmallows, and Hershey bars. S'mores
Like
before?
graham crackers? That's the thing that's most foreign to me. The large marshmallows, I'm excited. The Hershey's bars.
So here we are, kicking around the campfire. Anne's gonna have her first s'more ever, van lifestyle.
Okay. Huh. I didn't know how to get my lips out. I'm trying. Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
We're up here in the mountains, up here in the wintertime, van lifestyle. But you know what, just because it's van lifestyle, doesn't mean that you can't have a dance party USA style. These guys are dancing their faces off. That's it, guys. That's how we do it in the USA.
Take me down to that place. Take me and wash me away to the river where I rode past.
We woke up to find snow falling up here in the Cascade Mountains of Washington State. Eldad started a fire this morning. We've been chilling. We're gonna cook some breakfast. Sit here and watch the snow fall. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for being part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. If you like this video, hit the like button because that's what gets these videos out there and makes them successful. Guys, peace out. Keep on trucking.
Just remember